We rented a lake house on Lake Nutley over Memorial Weekend, and daughter Alana has joined us. Whenever Alana's in the house, Alana's typically cooking something. So what are we gonna make today?
We are making apple and brie stuffed chicken breast today.
Oh, that sounds absolutely delicious. We've all had a long day at the lake. I kayaked for my first time ever.
You did great.
Uncomfortably great, yeah. But anyway, so what do we do first? Let's get started with this.
Yeah, so we're gonna make our glaze for this chicken. And so I got my bowl and whisk here, and to the bowl we're going to add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm actually doubling this recipe, so it's
we've got a lot of chicken here.
Yeah,
because we have other people to feed.
4.
You do what I do, we're eyeballing.
Perfect.
And then you need mustard.
More. Yeah, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, or honestly any mustard would be fine. Perfect.
She went out specifically and got Dijon for this because we wanted to do it upright.
And then we're going to add a
Oven's ready.
teaspoon of dry thyme.
Okay. I love thyme. Love it, love it.
And then 2 cloves of garlic, so basically 4, because garlic is good.
Your 2.
Yeah, mine too.
Okay.
Just twist that all up. So while these pans are getting nice and hot for the sear, we are going to slice our chicken breast 3/4 of the way through so we can stuff our apples and brie.
Okay, so I'm going to put the slit in here, and you have to tell me this is about right. Now, not all the way through,
right,
but about like this.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And all the way down, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. And your hands are kind of clean, so I'm going to let you do the salt and pepper. But so I've opened this chicken breast up, and they are ready to receive the good stuff, but we're going to sear them off first. And so I took the lid off of that pepper shaker because it doesn't come out.
Okay.
So pepper and salt, I'll let you do. And then I'll cut the next one.
Perfect, sounds good. Yeah, so we're going to salt and pepper each side just to get them nice and flavorful. Do I trust myself with this open?
Careful. I found out the hard way that the pepper does not come out.
That's okay.
I'm used to a pepper grinder, but you know, when you rent places, this is through VRBO. I love renting places through VRBO. And our hosts at this lake house are just so thoughtful, put so many cute touches here, like left us wine, cheese, and crackers upon our arrival. See, that one has a lot of pepper.
Okay.
So all the chicken is cut, and you have salted and peppered all of it.
This last one right here,
Okay.
and it'll be good to go.
Yep, and then we're gonna wash our hands.
All right, now that our chicken is seared, we're gonna stuff. So we have some brie cheese and some apples already sliced here, as you can see.
Yep.
And we already filleted these earlier, so we can stuff them, you know, as kind of much as you want. I like to add more cheese and apples. That's just me. You kind of find your preference here. I'm probably gonna add about 2 to 3 slices of cheese per chicken breast, and add maybe 2 to 3 apple slices as well, depending on the size, of course. So if you want to follow suit and help me with the rest,
I will gladly do that.
Ready? So now we're gonna put our stuffed chicken in the pan when we seared it in. Just use your hands here and make it a little easier. Probably fit this one in here.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then some glaze.
Yeah, and now we are going to glaze our chicken with the glaze we made at the beginning of this video.
All right.
Yeah, give it a nice, liberal coating.
I probably needed a much bigger spoon then.
That's okay. No, don't. Yeah, be generous with the glaze.
And I would say even if you wanted to double up this glaze and have some ready to go when you're done baking these. Wow. Okay. And then this goes into the oven?
Yep, we're gonna bake it at 400 degrees for about 20-25 minutes.
This looks really good. We've cut this one in half just to kind of make it easier, but you can see that beautiful brie that's melted in there and those apples. My goodness. I am really excited to try this. This is probably a really big bite. All right, I'll try to be delicate. Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
That's delicious.
Good.
Man.
How'd you like it?
that melty brie, and the sweetness from the maple and the apples all together. The thyme really adds something to it. It's great. Took way too big of a bite. This is fabulous. Thank you, Alana.
Oh yeah, thanks for having me.
All right, we're going to feed all of our lake house guests.
Yep. Let's do it.
Can't wait.